Hello everyone, welcome to the session 16 of SQL. Today we will see the set operators in SQL. Okay, the set operators are union, union all, intersect and minus operators. First, let's see what these operators mean or what are the functions of these operators. Okay, so these operators, okay, works only if the below criteria is met. Okay, so the criterias are like in order to get this succeeded means the query succeeded with union operator, intersect and minus operator, like this is important. Okay, so your number of table columns means the number of columns in table 1 and table 2 should be same. Okay, so if you are doing the union of 3 tables, then the number of columns in table 1, table 2 and table 3 should be same. Okay, then the second criteria is that the data type of the corresponding columns should be same. This we will see. Okay, data types of the corresponding column should be same, otherwise it will fail. Okay, then see this union operator, what it does, this operator combines the records of the table, combines the records of the two tables. Okay, combines the records of the tables. Then it combines only the unique values and removes duplicates. Okay, means if you have table, see example, let's go through an example. So table A has three records, 1, 2 and 3. Okay, and table B has 3 records, 3, 4 and 5. So if you do A union B, then the output will be 1, 2, 3. See, 1, 2, 3, and here it is 3. But what does this property says of the union property says? That it combines only the unique values and removes duplicates. Means it will take only 1, 3 here, and then 4 and 5, and it will give you the output this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It then let's go through what does this union all do. See, this operator combines the records of the tables, means same. It is the same as union, but it includes duplicates values also. And it do not sort the result. I will show this in demo also. Okay, I will show the demo of this. What does this mean? And union operator sorts the result. Means it will sort the result 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in proper order. But here it won't be the case. Okay, see, if you do table A union all table B, means it is having 1, 2, 3, table B is having 3, 4, 5. Then what it will do, it will give you the output 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 5. Means it will give you duplicate values also. Even if table A has same record and table B has same records, table A and B has same records, it will give you two outputs, same output, 3, 3. But union will give you only one output of this. So it will give you unique values and it will give you duplicate values also. Okay, then intersect operator. This operator gives only the common records between the tables, only the common records. See, table A has 1, 2, 3, table B has 3, 4, 5, then it will give you only the common 3 output in the output result. Okay, and then last is the minus operator. This operator is used to eliminate the elements of the second table. Eliminate the elements means it will remove the elements of second table from the first table. See, first table has 1, 2, 3, table B has 3, 4, 5. So what is common between this? It is 3. 3 is there in 1, then it will remove 3. 4 and 5 are not in 1. So it will give you as output 1, 2. It has removed 3 because it was the part of the table 2. What it says, eliminates the elements of the second table. Okay, now let's demo all these operators by creating tables. Okay, so today in order to demo these set operators, we will create these 4 tables. Okay, observe this carefully. See, we will create property 1, property 2, property 3 and property 4 table. Okay, so let's go ahead and create first property 1 and property 2 table. Okay, property 1 created. See, created. Now I will create property 2 table. Okay, here, and then I will run this query. Okay, property 1 and property 2 tables are created. Now I will delete this. Don't worry, I will share all these scripts in the description of the video. Okay, you can go ahead that you can go ahead in the description of the video, copy paste and run the scripts here. Now you can see that property 1 and property 2 tables are created. See, property 1, property 2, right? See, okay. Now we will go here and insert the script. See, insert the first property records. So property 1 records, we will insert these scripts. I will share this insert scripts also in the description of the video. See, this is first property, this is second, this is third, and this is fourth. For all the tables, I have created separate insert scripts. Okay, so that we can see all the possibilities of how union, union all, intersect, and minus operators can be used. Okay, so first I will insert these records into property 1. I will go here and insert this. So I will just select this and insert. See, 1, 2, 3, 4 records are inserted. Okay, now I will insert the property 2 records. Control V and control this. See, these were like property 2. Then another 1, 2, 3, 4 records are inserted. Now let's see, select star from property 1. How many records are there? We have like 4 records here. Okay, now we will do select star from property 2. How many records are there? We have 4 records, 11, 22, 30, 40. Okay, these are the property IDs of this. Okay, now we will do the union of this. Okay, select star from property 1 union select star from property 2. Okay, now we are doing the union of this property. Now see what will happen. How many records are there? You have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 records. How many records were there in here? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Why there are not 8 records here? 1, 2, 3. Okay, let me see how many records are there in the property 1 first. Okay, these are like 1, 2, 3, 4, right? But you can see when we do union of select star from property 1, union select star from property 2, see it gave you only these 7 records here. Why? Because you can see that here the property says that it combines only the unique values and removes duplicates, right? So if you see in, I will open one more tab. Okay, I will open one more tab here. SQL worksheet. Okay, I will copy this here. See, property 1. Now you can see that this is duplicated, right? 3. See, this is a duplicate value. That's why it gave you only 1, 2, and 3. It did not include duplicate value. That's why when you do like select star from property 1, union select star from property 2, it gave you only 7 records. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It excluded the duplicate values. It did not include the duplicates values. Okay. Now, if I do select star from Control C, copy, I will copy this and Control paste. Now I will do union all here. Now see what is the difference between union and union all. How many records are there? 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. See, it included the duplicate values also. Right? So this is the difference between union and union all. But why did it succeeded? Why did it succeeded? Because the number of table columns should be same. It says that number of table columns should be same and data type should be same. See, this is int, corresponding data type is same. It is saying that corresponding column the data type of the corresponding column should be same and the number of table columns should be same. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, right? And 1, 2, 3, 4 columns. Now, this is column 1 of table 1 int, column 1 of table 2 int. This is varchar, this is varchar, this is varchar, this is varchar. This is decimal, this is decimal. So this corresponding columns should have same data type and table should have same number of columns. This name doesn't matter. Okay, this name, column name doesn't matter. Number of columns and data types will matter. If column 1 of property 1, table 1 is int, the column 1 of table 2 should be int. Okay, if this is varchar, this should be varchar. But always remember, when you do union or union all, it takes the columns and data type of the first table. Whatever table you will put here, it will not take these tables. If you put table here, whatever table you will put here, it will take the, see, property 1 ID, property 1 name, property 1 type, property 1 value. So it has taken all the columns of property 1 and it will take all the columns of the data type of the property 1 only. See, just make a change here. I will do it here property 2 and I will make it here property 1. See what will happen. See, property 2 ID, property 2 name, property 2 type, because it takes only the first table columns and data type. So you have to always make sure that the table 1 has the maximum size. This size should be larger than this, because smaller values can be fit into larger values, but larger values cannot fit into 100. Means 255 character length cannot fit into 100 characters, right? So if your string is like 255 characters and you are trying to insert into 100, it will not work. It will fail. It will say that column length is exceeding. Okay. So always make sure that your table 1 has maximum size here, larger than this second table. Otherwise, it will give you an error saying that length is exceeding for column thus. Okay. Now you have understood what does union and union all does. It's not like you have to do only 2 table union, you can do a union of 3 tables also. Okay, now let's create another table also. Okay, let's create this table. I will show you that column name doesn't matter. See, this was property 1 ID, this was property 2 ID, right? Now let's create table 3 also. Here I will create table 3. Created, and then I will insert records into table 3 also. Insert records. I will insert these records here. One, two, three, 4 records inserted. Now I will do select star from this. I will do select star from property 3. Okay. See, 10, 20, 30, 40, and it also has 4 columns, and data type is same. Let me see. See, data type is int, varchar, decimal. Int, varchar, decimal. So you can do union of this, and this is also possible. So let's do union of 3. I will do union of here also. Union select star from property 3. Okay, see. How many records are there? 9. See, it does not include duplicate values. Let me see what is in the property 3. See, it has 10, 20, 34 records, right? Let me see what is in the select star from property 2. See, it has 10, 20, also 30, 40, right? Let's see what is in the property 2. See, it has like 30 and 40 also. Same records as property 3. See, industrial warehouse with load, right? See, industrial warehouse with loading dock. But it didn't give you duplicate values here. It gave you only the unique values. See, 30 and 40 are not repeated. They are only 1. How many records are there? 9. When you do the union of this property 1, property 2, property 3, okay, because it will remove duplicates and give you only unique values. Now, if I do union all of three tables, property 3. See what will happen. Select star. I have to put select star from property 3. Okay. Now see. How many records are that? 12. Why there are 12 records? And you can see that this is not in order. See 11, 22, 30, 40, 1, 2, 3. And see there are duplicate values also. See this is duplicate, right? And this is also duplicate 30, 40 and 30, 40. See this is duplicate values. Because union property says that it combines on it includes duplicates also and do not sort the result. This is not sorted, right? This output is not sorted. See, there are random numbers here. See, there are random numbers. But if you do union of this, union of 3 tables, see, 1, 2, 3, 10, 11, 20, 22, 30, 40 in ascending order. And you can see that there are no duplicates here. There are only 9 records. These 9 records are unique. Okay, so you can do union of multiple tables, you can do union of multiple tables, but you need to understand that the number of columns should be same and the data type of the corresponding column should be same. Okay, union will exclude duplicates, this will include duplicates, it will sort the records, it will not sort the records. See, this is the union. No, it has sorted the records and you are having in ascending order, records in proper order. Okay, so this is about union and union on. Okay, now let's move on to, let's create another table also. Let's create another table, table 4. So this is also having four columns. This is also having 4 columns. This is 4. All columns are same, right? All columns are same. Let's create this table. Control A, Control A. I am creating table 4 now. Created. Now I will insert these scripts into this. Okay, insert scripts. I will insert 2 scripts only. See, inserted. We are having how many records here? 1, 2 records. Records doesn't matter, but column names matter. Like column, number of columns and data type should match. You can see here, right? Now I will do union of table 3 and table 4. Okay, let's do union of this. Select star from property 1, union, select star from property 4. Let's do here to select star from property 4. How many records are there? See, you can see there are two records, but columns are 4. See, I'm trying to do select star from property 1, union, select star from property 2. See, what it is saying, expression must have same data type as corresponding expression. Means this table should have same number of columns and same number of data types as this. But if you see this table, the data type of first column is char, and here data type of first column is int. So how can you enter char data type into integer values? It's not possible, right? You can insert char into varchar, but you cannot insert char into integer. Okay, this is completely different. This stores digits, numbers, and this stores characters, strings. So you cannot insert string into integer data type, and you cannot insert integer into character data type. Even if you reverse this, it will not work. That's why the property says, the set operator property says that the number of columns should be same and the data types of the corresponding column should be same. This will not work. Understood? Even if you do intersect, see what will happen. It will not work. Even if you do minus, it will not work. See, at least it should have given blank table, right? But it is not working because it is not accepting the different data types, different corresponding data types, it will not accept. Okay, because this is char. You have to convert this to int or you have to convert this to char. Then only it will work. Okay. Now we are done with union. Okay, now let me show you. Let us see which table has common records. Okay, let's see property 2. Property 2 has 30, 40, 11, 22, 30, 40. Now property 3 has 10, 20, 30, 40. Means property 2 and 3 has common records also. So what our intersect operator says? Our intersect operator says that this operator gives only the common records between the tables. Okay, so I will do select star from, I will just copy this. I will just copy this. Control V. Okay. Select star from property 2 union, not union. I will do it intersect here. Intersect. Select star from property 3. See, select star from property 2 intersects. If there are any common records between this, it will give you the output. See, it has given you only the common records. You can see, right? Property 2 and property 3. Let's remove this. Let me do union all of this. Okay, I will do union of all of this. I'll just copy this only here, copy and paste. I will do union all, because union all will give you duplicate values also, right? Union all will give you duplicate values also. See, property 2 and property 3. See, this is 30, 40, 30, 40, right? And if you do intersect of this, see, it will give you only the common records between the two tables. Understood? And you can see that union all, right? Let's do union all again. See, you can see that 11, 22, property 2 has 4 records. 11, 22, 30, 40, property 3 has 4 records. 10, 20, 30, 40. Now let's demo minus operator. What minus operator says? This is used to eliminate the elements of the second table from the first table. Means it removes whatever is common, it will remove from the first table. It will remove second table element from the first table. See here, like 1, 2, 3, we have 3 here also, here also. So it will remove this. This it will remove from here and it will give you the output. Now if you do minus, use minus operator for this. See, minus operator. Okay, and let's see what is the output of it. See, 11 and 22. It will remove the records of the second table and it will give you only the remaining elements in the first record. See, property 2, this 1, 2, it will give you the remaining elements of the first table. Okay, first table, not this table. If you put this table here, the output will be different. See, I will keep this also, copy and paste. See, I will put property 3 here and I will put property 4 here. Okay, what it is saying? Expression must have same data type as the corresponding column. Property 3 minus select star from property, sorry, 4 not, property 2. Why 4 is failing? Because 4 is not having same data type, no? It is having char and it is having int. That's why it is failing. Okay, so I will write here 2. Now see what is the output. What is the output? Because this is the first table, it will minus the property 2 common records from property 1. And it will give you the output of first table, means property 3. And here it will remove the elements of property 3 from property 2. And here it will remove the elements of property 2 from property 3. So this will give you the output of the remaining records in the property 2. See, these are the remaining records in property 2 and these are the remaining records in the property 3. Means this is like, if you combine this, it will be a union of these two. If you do property 2, see, property 2 union property 3, 10, 11, 20, 22, 30, 40, it will give all the records, sorry, it will give you the all the records. Okay, so this is how it is used. Remember that minus operator removes the elements of second table from first table and gives you the output of the remaining table. Until now, we have seen union, union all, intersect, minus operator using star, means all the columns in the table. Okay. However, we can use these operators using the specific columns of the table as well. Let me show you one example. Select, let's take property 2 and property 3 first, and then we will go for property 4. Okay. In property 4, we have seen like this is char, right? And this is int. Corresponding columns data type is different, right? So that's why this was not working. But I will show you how you can select specific columns from the table and make union and union all working over that. Okay. First, let's see how we can use property 1 and property 2. Okay. So what I will do property 1, select property 1 ID, comma property 1 name. Okay, I will take 2 columns from here. You can take 3 columns, you can take 4 columns. If there are 100 columns, you can take only 50 columns from it. But remember, the columns you are taking should be in order of the second table also. Their corresponding data type should be same. Means corresponding means if this second uh, column data type is varchar, the second table, second column should be varchar only. Okay, or char is also fine. But remember that this should be a maximum size. This should be of maximum size. Okay, so let me take property 1 ID, property 2, property 1 name I have taken from property 1 table. Okay, from property 1, from property 1 union. Okay, I will do the same thing here. Select, I will copy from here, property 2 ID, comma, property 2 name. Okay, these two only I am taking from this, these two I am taking from this table. Okay, from property 2. Okay, see now what happens. It worked, right? Because the table 1 is having, you are saying that take 2 columns from table 1, take 2 columns from table 2. So our first condition is matching, that the number of table columns should be same. Now the data type of the corresponding column should be same, right? So property 1 ID is varchar, is int, property 2 ID is int, property 1 name is varchar, property 2 name is varchar. So data type of the corresponding columns are also matching of the tables. Okay, so that's why even union all will also work here. Okay, let's do it separately. I'll take this. Union all is no difference, just you will get the duplicate values also here. See, you can see 7 records here. In union all, see you how many records you can see. You can see that 8 records, because it includes duplicate values also. See, this is duplicate, but in union you will not see these duplicates value. Now we had also seen that this was not working. Like when we did like select star from property 3, union select star from property 4, it was not working. None of them was not working. Like union all was not working, union was not working, intersect and minus was also not working. Now see what we can do. Now what I will do, I will take property 1 only. Okay, any is fine, any is fine, you can use any of them. Okay, select property 1 ID. Not, I will not use ID because the data type of the ID is different, it will fail again. But if you use name and type, property 1 type, and I will use property 1 value also. Okay, here from property 1 I will do union, and I will do this, select ID, name type and value. Okay, name type comma value, these are the column names of the property 4 table. Okay, select name type value from property 4. Okay, property 4. See, now this will work. Select name type value from, okay, from property 4. See, this worked, right? Previously it was failing because you were telling that select star from property 3, union select star from property 4. But what now we are doing, we are selecting the specific columns. Select name type, like select property name type value from property 1, select name type value number of columns are same and the corresponding data type is also same. That's why it worked. Okay, even union all will also work here, and intersect will also work, and minus operation will also work. Okay, so this is how you can use union, this set operators using specific columns of the tables as well. Just remember that this column count and this column count should be same, and that corresponding data type, name, property one, type property, like name doesn't matter. This data type should be same as this data type should be same as this, third should be same with third. Okay, so even if you do intersect of this will work. Previously it was not working because of the mismatch of data type. See, no records, there are no records in common between this. Okay, if you take like property 3 or 2, let's take it 2. Okay, property 2 and property 2 here, and here I will make it as property 2 table. Let's see if this has anything common between them. No, nothing is common. Okay, let me see which table has anything common. 1 and 3 intersect. Property 2 and 3 has common, no? So I will use the 3. See, you got the common records also, because you are using same number of columns and the corresponding data type is also same. Okay, so this is all for today. You have to practice this well. Okay, I will share this table scripts and insert scripts in the description of the video so that you can practice over there. I will share all these 4 insert scripts. Okay, this is for 4th table, this is for 3rd, 2nd, and this is for 1st table. Okay, property 1, property 2, property 3, property 4. Okay, so you have to practice this because these are very widely used. Okay, union and union all are very widely used and asked in the interviews as well. Like, it is not directly asked, but they will ask a question like, if there are 2 tables, how can you combine the records between 2 tables without using join? Join we are going to study further. So this is one of the operator, union and union all. Using this you can add, and without using join, how you can extract the common record? So you can use intersect operator over there. So these are some of the tricky interview questions which can be asked over there. That's why this is very important. Okay, so this is also, these operators union and union all are very widely used. Okay, when it comes to preparing any kind of reports over there to the end customers. Okay, so this is all for today. See you in the next session. Thank you.